Hello everyone, this video is made by Ashish Unyal, student of Govind Ballabh Pant University, Pantnagar as a part of final assignment of seismic design courses from Skyfi Lab. In this video, we are going to analyze the building frame for seismic loading. In the last video, we has analyzed the same building for wind load. So let's get started. First, adding the seismic load on building model. So go to define, go to load pattern, give the load as seismic, load type is seismic, choose appropriate as code, then click add new load, then select seismic, modify lateral load, choose only x and y direction, remove the eccentricities, the zone factor, importance factor, and the response reduction factor depend upon the location of the building. So our location is Bangalore, so I choose this value with the help of ISCO. Then click OK, again click OK to exit. To check the load combination, click on the load combination. These are the load combination, then click OK. If you want to analyze the building, set load cases to run, you can see there is a wind load, so we don't need wind load to analyze the building. So click on run, do not run case. If you want to analyze the building, click on run now, otherwise OK. Next method is response spectrum method. Again, to check the seismic loading, go to define load pattern, click seismic, modify lateral load, all values are OK, then again OK. Now adding the seismic response spectrum on building model. Go to define function, click on response spectrum, choose ice code, click add new function, if the function name is a response spectrum, go to the define load cases, add for the response spectrum, give the load case name as a response spectrum, load case type is a response spectrum, add load for x direction, load function is response spectrum, scale factor is calculated with the help of scale factor remains same for x and y direction. Then click OK, again OK to exit. Now if you want to analyze the building, again go to set load cases to run. We don't need dead load and live load to analyze the building. So click on run, do not run case, select only seismic and response spectrum. Now if you want to run, click on run now, otherwise OK. Third method is time history analysis of seismic of building model. Now check for the seismic loading, go to define load patterns, click on seismic, modify lateral load, choose only x direction, remove y, or other values remain same, then OK, again OK. Now add seismic time history method on building model. Go to define function time history, choose from file, click on add new function, browse the for time history. I will choose the earthquake in Bhuj 2001. To click, give function name as a time history, Format type as a fixed format. Then click OK. Again click OK to exit. Again go to the define load cases. Click for the time history. Load case name as a time history. Type is a load history. Add only for acceleration, load pattern acceleration, function time history, scale factor calculated with the help of iscode. Then click OK. Again click OK to exit. Now for analyzing the building model, click on the set load case to run. So we don't need response spectrum for to run the analysis. So click on run do not run case. Choose only time history and seismic. Now for analysis, click on run now. Wait for some time as the soft analysis on the building model. The progress of the analysis can be seen at the bottom left corner. You can see the progress in here and this. So once the analysis is done, analysis result will display on as shown. You can see in the 3D view displacement of the element of the building. Now if you can go to display menu to check the other analysis result like shear and moment. Design, display, click on the force stress diagram, click on frame forces. If you want to shear or moment, like OK, then you can see the shear forces element. Now for the run the structural design on building model. Click on design, concrete frame design, view revised preferences. The design code should be IS 456 2000. Then click OK. Again go to design, concrete frame design, click on the start design check. Once the design check is completed, you can see in the 3D view longitudinal reinforcement required for the different elements. You can go to the design, concrete frame design, click on verify all member pass. The message is all concrete frame pass the design. So design section is completed. Each software will also provide the complete project report of the building frame. So double click on the project report. It will show the analysis results. Thank you.